Good morning, friends and family. How's it going? I hope you guys are doing well. Me and the pups are hanging out, just chilling. I'm about to eat some breakfast and then I'm going to watch the news. Because what do you do this early in the morning? I'm trying to get into this new habit of waking up early. I did it yesterday. Yesterday I woke up at like, I think 7 in the morning. Something like that. Today I woke up at 6. So I'm trying to wake up earlier. Phoenix is sleep. Deep sleep, and she just woke up. We just went to the bathroom and she's already asleep. But yeah, it's 7:08 a.m. and we are going to rock and roll.
Go get it. Period. Nothing to worry about.
Good morning. So we're on the way to the beach. This is called the Sleeping Woman. I don't know if you can see it, but over here, that's her face. And she's laying down, but it's a mountain. Pretty sick. Good morning, Vietnam.
Good morning, everybody. We're on our way to the beach. Everything. We're going to the beach, to one of the biggest provinces in Costa Rica called Guanacaste, and we're gonna have a good time. Yay!
Yay.
Nothing to worry about.
The cherries. Pero yo creo que él quiere decir cherish.
Cherries. Cherries.
Entonces hasta que yo más o menos creo que es cherish. No cherries.
No cherries de
No
fruta.
cherish. ¿Cómo es que?
Cherries, vamos.
Sí, es cherries. Yo no entendí cherries. Cherries.
Nothing to worry about.
What's up, guys? How's it going? Where's Phoenix? I spent a lot of time today, like 30 minutes maybe, cleaning out all the nooks and crannies of a Sega Genesis. Definitely have my priorities set here. I haven't even edited yesterday's video, but I cleaned out all the nooks and crannies of a Sega Genesis. It actually took a lot of time, and yeah, it looks good though. I don't even know if this thing works. I think the power cord for it was dead, and so I needed to get a new one, and that's why we still have it. There's just a wheelbarrow that's been thrown over here. Strange things happen in my house. I don't understand. But Raina's playing with the rocks. Look at this dog. She's crazy. When it gets sunny out, this is when she starts to act crazy. Like, when it's cold, she behaves herself, but when it's sunny out, she acts crazy. I hope she enjoys it while she can, because it's going to get very rainy, like tomorrow. It's gonna rain according to my weather app for the next week straight. Taking my Sega Genesis and going inside. The Sega Genesis was like my favorite gaming console of my youth. Some people were Nintendo fans. That's good for you guys. I like the Nintendo. We have a Nintendo in the house, and that one does work. But Sega Genesis was my favorite. Also, a system we really liked was my cousins had the Nintendo. It wasn't the NES. It was something after the NES. I think it was, no, not the Nintendo 64. Anyways, they had a Nintendo growing up, and they had a bunch of fun games on there, which I'm sure we probably had on the Sega, but my memory is fading and I don't know. Who pooped? Oh, that's a leaf. I thought somebody pooped in the house. I was gonna go off. I better go. But yeah, I like those old gaming systems, and I think I'm gonna start collecting them. I got 2 of them, and the funny thing is they're selling like on the internet for cheap now. Like, you can buy them on eBay for pretty cheap. So I'm gonna start buying some of them. Be cool to have like a gaming room, just like old games.
Hello.
Hello.
Where are we? In English.
We are in Conchal in Guanacaste.
No, in Brasilito.
Brasilito, sorry.
And we're going to?
Conchal.
To Conchal.
The best beach in Costa Rica.
And I've never been, and she's from here, and she's never been either.
Sí. Yes, sir.
Hi, Stanley.
Hi.
And Mommy. Hi, guys.
Nothing to worry about.
I'm wet. Okay, Ariel, there's your sister. There's the vet with Stanley. They're swimming. We're having a great time. I was just in there, and yeah, and the water's pretty strong. It knocked me down, and I couldn't get up. So we're having a great time. Vet and Stanley are right there. Ron is right here with his girlfriend Hennessy's. I love Hennessy's. Hi, Betsy. Say hi, Mama. Yeah, there she is. She's waving to you guys. From the beautiful beach of Conchal. I'm just loving how all this is not sand. There's so many conchas. Look like rocks, huh? They're actually, all of them are actually shells. Yes, Ariel, Wonderful time in Costa Rica. Plancha con plancha. Not plancha. Playa. I can't speak today. I'm having the hardest time talking. Playa con chal. Yes. This is the life. I am really, this is really paradise. I'm so happy. I guess it's time to go back. The kids are coming back and it is getting pretty dark. Stanley, did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Good. Hey guys, did you have a good time?
Yes.
All right, Conchal, let's go get some birras, some sandwiches.
This is paradise. We're in the ocean for a couple hours. It's just shells. It's like literally no sand. So like you don't go out and your feet are all dirty and it's so warm. It's so beautiful. In love. In love.
Nothing to worry about.
You guys, I did one little workout today, very minor one. My thighs are killing me. That is how out of shape I am. I couldn't even do a small workout without feeling absolutely just gnarly. My dad and I just finished watching the State of the Union address, which if you don't live in the United States is like a thing that happens every year. The president comes out and talks about the state of the country. So yeah, that's what happened. We just finished watching that. It's right now it's like 8:30, something like that. But I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired and I'm battling. I refuse to not get sick. I know in yesterday's video I had a fever. Today I'm feeling iffy, but I'm not sick. So yeah. All right, thanks for watching guys. I appreciate it and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.